Hi you guys. I'm trying the flip video. This is section 3.2, question number 28 on page 115. Page 115. And the question asks you to find the population variance, and question 28 gives you all these numbers. And what I want to do is show you how to do this on the calculator. So first you turn it on. Okay. Now you hit second function and the yellow bracket, which is right there. Now I'm going to enter all the numbers. So I hit 9, comma, the comma is right there, comma, 10, comma, 9, comma, 8, comma, 6, comma, exciting isn't it, 5, comma, 8, comma, 9, comma, 6, comma, there's two more, 10, comma, 8. That's the last number, so no more comma. Now I'm going to close the parentheses, so I hit second function and then end bracket. So my data's in there, so if you want you can hit enter. That doesn't really do anything. So we want to store that data, so you hit store, that button there. STO stands for store, and I like to put it in list 1, so I hit second function L1, there's a little L1 there, and hit enter. Okay, so to find the population variance, in fact all of the one variable statistics, one variable stats, you go to stat, right there, the stat button, stat, and you go over, let's scoot the calculator up a little bit so you can see that, to over with the arrow buttons to calc, right there, and one variable statistics is the first one, so I just hit enter, and now it's waiting for me. That blinking light says, what shall I do the one variable statistics on? And we want L1, because that's where we put our numbers, so I hit second function, L1, so I hit the yellow button and then L1, and hit enter, and like magic all the numbers come up. So you see X bar, so here, I'm writing X bar, but it actually didn't ask for that. The average is 8, and in this case the population variance, you see sigma X is equal to 1.5954. If the problem had asked for the sample, this is actually the standard deviation because it's sigma. If it had asked for the sample standard deviation, you would have used S, which is the number up there. It's S of X, which is 1.67. So the calculator gives you the standard deviation. If you want the variance, you have to square that. So what you have to do is you write the number down, 1.5954, hit clear, and then you type in 1.5954 and the squared button, squared, enter. So the variance is 2.5453. This is a pretty messy assignment, but there it is. So this is the variance, the population variance, and this is the population standard deviation. And again, if you go back to the one variable statistics, so that's stat over to calc, and then hit enter, it's waiting, second function L1, because the numbers were in L1, hit enter, it gives you all sorts of numbers. It gives you the maximum, the minimum, the quartiles, and your median, your X bar, N, there were 11 numbers. So that's a very handy function. You're going to have to know it for the test. Hope that helped.